Hi there, boys and girls. Today I'm going to walk you through a journal planning writing page. So let's take a look at what we're asked to do. Sometimes we have to scroll all the way down to the very bottom where you will find the actual direction. So the direction, let's read it together. It says do. You're going to write about your favorite book. And then you're going to tell why. Why is it your favorite book? So our task is to write about our favorite book. So we have to choose a favorite book, right? Then we're going to give some reasoning as to why we have chosen that book as our favorite book. So on top here, we're going to begin with where it says type. You're going to put the cursor on here and then you're going to type in your name. So I'm going to type in my name, Mrs. Lee, whoop, capital L-Y, like that. This here is a text box, right? And once you click on it, you're going to be able to type on it, okay? So I've done my name, and then I'm going to go down to here, and it says the best book. And then the prompt says, what is your favorite book? Again, that's what we're asking for you to write about, your favorite book. So plan. The plan is we're going to give 3 reasons as to why we've chosen that particular book as our favorite book. So let's say, for example, I choose The Cat in the Hat. So if I choose The Cat in the Hat as my favorite book, where it says type again, I click on, and then there's a text box. So why do I want to say that The Cat in the Hat is my favorite book? Well, because I like the rhyming words in it. That could be one reason. So do you see that squiggly line here? That means the spelling is incorrect. If I right click, and then I can find the correct spelling and then just choose it. And that can be one of my reasons, right? So here we're focusing on like writing complete sentences. So I start with a capital and then there's my end mark. Then that's one reason. It's good enough. And then I'm going to go to the second one and I click down onto the text box, will pop up as such. And then I can start typing. So once I click, there it is. Sometimes I have to double click. I can backspace and then it'll take away like the word type, right? And then you can start typing on it. If you don't, backspace, that's what happened on number 1. You have the word type that's still on there, okay? So what's the second reason? Besides, I like the rhyming words. I like the characters in the cat and the cat in the hat, period. So I like the characters. That's could be a legitimate reason, yeah? Then on the third, click on the text box again, and then you have the word type. Click down. Where's my clicker? There it is. And then I go backspace to take away the word type. And my third reason, maybe I think it is a funny book to read, period. So there, I have 3 reasons as to why I have chosen The Cat in the Hat as my favorite book. So once you're done, then go back to review what your task was to do, to write about your favorite book and tell why. Did I tell why? I did, with 3 reasons. I like the rhyming words in it. I like the characters in The Cat in the Hat. I think it is a funny book to read. So there it is. Okay? So the next time you do a journal entry or prompt writing, you need to scroll down, look for where the directions are, and then make sure you read it, make sure you understand it, and then click on the text box and type away. Thank you for listening. Have fun with it.